Hello students, in the chapter line and plane, we discuss the all concepts of the line, that is the equation of line passing through point and parallel to the vector, equation of line passing through 2 points, distance of point from line, shortest distance between line and distance between parallel lines. Okay, we see the concepts of the line, okay, and examples. Okay, now today we are going to start the miscellaneous exercise of the line. Okay, we will see the all examples in the miscellaneous exercise. These examples we have already seen in the exercise 6.1 and 6.2. Okay, here we revise this. Now here first example, it is a find the vector equation of line passing through point whose position vector, it is a 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 7k cap and parallel to the line. We know that we find the equation of line, then we know a passing through point and parallel to the vector. That means equation of line, it is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, line passing through point and parallel to the vector, or equation of line, it is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. It is a line passing through 2 points. Okay, there is given line passing through point and a parallel to the vector. That means we use this relation. Okay, r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, and it is a bar and it is b bar. Now we can directly write the answer. Okay, when the question asked in the objective, we cannot calculation, direct answer. It is a bar and it is b bar. That is equation of line. Answer of this question is r bar is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 7k cap plus lambda into 6i cap minus j cap plus k cap. Okay, it is the answer. Okay, same example, find the vector equation of line passing through point 3, 2 and 1. In this example, there it is given position vector, that is a bar. Here point given, it is a. Then from the point we write the position vector, that is 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. It is a bar and it is b bar, and then write the answer. Okay, we solve the second example. Okay, and then same as the first example. Okay, first example for the homework, we solve it is a second example. To find the equation of line, we know a passing through point and parallel vector. It is a passing through point and it is a parallel vector, and it is the equation of line. R bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. A bar is a passing through point and b bar is a parallel vector. It is passing through point and it is a parallel vector. Answer तोंडी सांगता येते, काहीही कॅल्क्युलेशन न करता डायरेक्ट आन्सर लिहिता येते. ओके, हियर वी राइट दिस. गिवन दैट line passing through, okay, we write the answer of second question. Given that line passing through point, it is 3, 2, 1. That is position vector of that point, it is a bar is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap and plus k cap, and parallel to vector 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. That is b bar is equal to 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap, and therefore vector equation of line r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, and then last answer r bar is equal to a bar 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda into b bar 2i cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Okay, here it is a vector equation of line. Okay, when this question asked in the objective, there is no calculation, directly we can write the answer. Okay, choose the option. Okay, here it is passing through point and it is a parallel vector. Okay. Now we see the next example, the example number 1 for the homework. Next, third example. Find the Cartesian equation of line which passes through point -2, 4, -5 and parallel to the line x plus 2 upon 3, y minus 3 upon 5 and z plus 5 upon 6. Now, here we want to find the Cartesian equation of line. Cartesian, it is a vector equation. Cartesian equation is line passing through point x1, y1 and z1 and direction ratios of line E, B and C. It is equation of line y minus y1 upon b and z minus z1 upon c. Okay, here see carefully. It is a Cartesian equation of line. We know only the passing through point and direction ratios of that line. Here passing through point it is given -2, 4 and -5. That means x1, y1, z1. So here we can write x plus 2, y minus 4 and z plus 5. Now we know only the direction ratios of that line. But here given that this line is parallel to the required line, that means direction ratios of given line and required line are same, and then direction ratios of given line are 3, 5 and 6. Therefore direction ratios of required line are 3, 5 and 6. Then here is also we cannot calculation directly write the answer of the question. Okay, here direction ratios of 3, 5, 6 are the direction ratios. Only change the point of line. Here 2, 3 and 5 changes, it is -2, 4 and it is -5. Okay, therefore the required line's answer x plus 2 upon 3, y minus 4 upon 5 and z plus 5 upon 6. Okay, here we know only the direction ratios and passing through point when find the Cartesian form, and also vector form, reduce it only the vector form. Okay, now here given that line passing through it is -2, 4 and -5. That is x1, y1 and z1. It is -2, 4 and -5. And given line, its given line it is x plus 2 upon 3, y minus 3 upon 5 and z plus 5 upon 6. It is equation number 1. Its direction ratios are 3, 5 and 6. Direction ratios of that line. Here required line is parallel to given line, that is line number 1. Therefore direction ratios of required line are 3, 5 and 6, and therefore we can write A1, so it is A, B and C. It is a 3, 5 and 6. Now we know the passing through point and direction ratios of the line. It is the equation of line, then directly can write equation of line. Now therefore Cartesian equation of line is x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c, and therefore we can write x minus x1, it is -2, therefore we can write +2 upon A, it is a 3. Y minus 4 upon 5 and Z plus 5 upon 6. It is a required equation of line. Okay, here direction ratios are same, only change the point. Direction ratios are same because lines are parallel. Okay, now we see the next. Next example. Obtain the vector equation of the line x plus 5 upon 3, y plus 4 upon 5 and z plus 5 upon 6. Okay, we want to find the vector equation of line. Here equation of line given in the Cartesian form, that is line passing through point, means it is a bar, x1 y1 z1. It is a point A passing through point, we take the position vector, and A, B, C are the direction ratios. That means direction ratios are the components of the parallel vector. Okay, therefore parallel vector, it is 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap, it is v bar, and minus 5, minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, here are the coordinates of the point passing through line. Okay, that means minus 5i cap, minus 5j cap and minus 5k cap, it is a bar, and we know the vector equation r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. Okay, now given line x plus 5 upon 3, y plus 4 upon 5 and z plus 5 upon 6. Therefore line passing through point minus 5, minus 4 and minus 5. Okay, therefore you can write a bar is equal to minus 5i cap, minus 4j cap and minus 5k cap, and direction ratios of line 3, 5 and 6. Therefore the vector b bar 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap is parallel to line, and therefore vector equation of line r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, and then it is r bar is equal to minus 5i cap, minus 4j cap and minus 5k cap plus lambda into 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap. Okay, see carefully. It is a vector equation of this line. Okay, this equation is in the Cartesian form. Line passing through point x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1. x1, y1, z1 are the line passing through point, that is minus 5, minus 4 and it is minus 5. And here A, B, C are the direction ratios of the line. That means the vector parallel to the line, it is ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. It is a vector equation and it is Cartesian equation. Now we see the next example. Next, here is the fifth example. Find the vector equation of line which passes through the origin and the point (5 minus 2, 3). Here we want to find the vector equation of line passing through 2 points, and here 2 points are, one is origin and other is 5 minus 2, 3. That means we use this equation. Okay, it is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. That means line passing through point A and B. Here line passing through point A and B. A is a 0, 0, 0 and it is a B. Okay, now we can find the position vector of both points. Okay, now here given that line passing through point O 0, 0, 0 and suppose it is A, it is 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, we can take a name anyone. Okay, like this, here it is A and it is B, so we can write here line passing through point A and suppose it is B. Okay, then equation of line, therefore you can write a bar is equal to position vectors 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap, and b bar is equal to 5 I cap minus 2 j cap and plus 5 k cap. Okay, therefore see, therefore vector equation of line passing through points whose position vectors are a bar and b bar. Okay, see carefully, is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. Okay, r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda into b bar minus a bar. Now r bar is equal to, it is 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap, line passing through origin, and plus lambda into b bar minus a bar 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 5 k cap, and therefore equation of line r bar is equal to lambda into 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 5 k cap. Okay, it is a equation of. Now next, next example. Example number 6. Find the Cartesian equation the line, find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the points 3 minus 2 minus 5 and 3 minus 2 6. Okay, here it is given that line passing through 2 points. Okay, here see carefully, we know that the equation of line passing through 2 points when x1 y1 and z1, and second point is x2 y2 and z2. Then equation of line is x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, and z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. It is a Cartesian equation of line passing through 2 points. It is a vector equation of line passing through 2 points. It is a Cartesian equation of line passing through 2 points. Okay. Now here given line passing through points. Okay. Say it is a x1, y1 and z1. It is 3 minus 2 5 and x2, y2 and z2. It is 3 minus 2 and 6. Therefore Cartesian equation of line x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1, y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, and z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Put the all values of x1 y1 z1 and x2 y2 z2. Therefore we get here x minus 3 upon 3 minus 3 is equal to y plus 2 upon minus 2 plus 2, y2 minus y1, and here z minus 5, that is z plus 5 upon, it is a 6 plus 5. Okay. Now it is an equation of line in a Cartesian form, but here see carefully this calculation. Therefore we can write x minus 3 upon 0 is equal to y plus 2 upon 0 is equal to z plus 5 upon it is 11. Okay, we say it is a lambda. Okay. Here it is the equation of line x minus 3 upon 0, y minus 3 upon 0, and it is z plus 5 upon 11. X minus 3 upon 0, y plus 2 upon 0, and z plus 5 upon 0. Here when we can write 0 in the denominator, it is an indeterminate form. Okay, but it is an equation of line. Okay, it is equation of line. Here 0, 0 and 11 are the direction ratios of that line. Okay, it is equation of line, but we see it is an indeterminate form. Okay, it is equation of line. Okay, we can write also it is equation of line. Okay, here x minus 3 upon 0, 0 is the direction ratio, 0, 0 and 11 are the direction ratios of that line. Okay, but we can write this equation in the form, it is a 0, see carefully, x minus 3 upon 0 equal to lambda. So we can write x minus 3 is equal to 0, y plus 2 equal to 0, and it is here z plus 5 is equal to 11 lambda. Okay, and then x equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, and it is a z is equal to minus 5 plus 11 lambda. It is an equation of line in a parametric form. Okay, when denominator is a 0, when denominator is 0, denominator it is a direction ratios of the line, 0, 0, 11 are the direction ratios of line. Okay, when denominator is 0 in the equation of line, Cartesian, in the Cartesian form, then we can write this equation in the form of this. Okay, x minus 3 upon 0 is equal to lambda, y plus 2 upon 0 is equal to lambda, z plus 5 upon 11 is equal to lambda. So we can write x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to minus 5 plus 11 lambda. Okay, here lambda is a parameter. Okay, it is the equation of line in a parametric form. Okay, now it is a Cartesian equation. See carefully, when in the denominator direction ratios of a line out of 3, it is a, b, c, out of any one it is a 0, then we can write this, and then equation of line can be written in the form of this. Okay, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to minus 5 plus 11 lambda. Okay, now we see the next example. Next example is the same, passing through 2 points. Seventh example, find the equation of line passing through points A, 3, 2 and 1 and B, 1, 3, 1. Okay. Now, here we find the equation of line. Okay, is also same procedure. Here, x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. Here it is a z1 and z2 are also same. Therefore, it is a 0. Okay. Here we can write directly. Okay. So it is a point A and it is point B. 3, 2, 1 and it is B, 1, 3, 1. Therefore, x minus x1 upon 1 minus 3, y minus y1 upon 3 minus 2, and it is z minus z1 upon 1 minus 1. Again same here, y minus 2 upon 1 and it is z minus 1 upon 0 is equal to suppose lambda. Then equation of line, x minus 3 is equal to minus 2 lambda, y minus 2 is equal to lambda, and z minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 plus 2 lambda, y is equal to 2 plus lambda, and z is equal to 1. It is an equation of line, okay, passing through 2 points. Okay, see carefully this. This equation can also written as, here 2 values, here only one it is a 0, we can write here, see carefully here. Here 2 values are equal to lambda, we can write x minus 3 upon minus 2 is equal to y minus 2 upon 1 is equal to lambda, and z minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this equation can also written as in the form of this, and therefore required equation of line, x minus 3 upon minus 2 is equal to y minus 1 upon y minus 2 upon 2, and it is a z is equal to 1. It is a Cartesian equation of line passing through these 2 parts. Okay, see carefully. This equation can written like this or this. Okay, see carefully this. Okay, here all examples of the equation of lines we are already seen in the exercise 6.1. Okay, such type examples we are already learned in the exercise 6.1. Okay, see carefully in miscellaneous exercise. Next examples we are see in the next lecture.